Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create a business presentation slide using 3D Workspace in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and import slide content. I pause because presentations guide decisions. I convert key numbers into 3D text. The 3D Workspace appears. I align depth with layout. Business slides must stay professional. I adjust lighting to avoid distraction. I zoom in to check clarity. I zoom out to review structure. The slide now feels polished and confident. 3D Workspace enhances business